In today's day and age, there are so many opportunities to make money online, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the best options out there. Hey there, welcome to Cash Collect, where I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 highest paying online jobs that can make you up to $1,000 a week. Whether you're looking for a new career path, a side hustle, or just some extra cash, these work-from-home jobs have the potential to make you some serious money. So, if you're in a position where you're trying to figure out which one may be best for you, which one you would like to pursue, and you're not really sure, I hope that by the end of this video, you'll have enough information to choose the option that will allow you to make the most money. To begin, let's look at the first option, which is the editor for short-form videos. Those of you unfamiliar with the term short-form video editor can rest assured that many employ the services of a number of talented independent producers to make the various reels you may have seen on my Instagram and TikTok accounts. They watch all of the videos their clients have uploaded to YouTube, and then they handpick the parts they think will do well on Instagram and TikTok. Now, there's a lot of work involved in doing this since you'll need to have basic editing abilities. And make sure you chop the video up in a way that would make people on these various social media platforms want to watch it. However, I would rank it highly because I know that if I look at a long-form video editor, I'd end up moving this to the top regardless of how much effort was put into making the video. Having worked as an editor, I can say that it's fair that editors make a little bit more money when editing longer videos, say 10 or 15 minutes. Because there is so much work that goes into making sure that the video stays interesting from start to finish, as well as ensuring sure that they put all of the various scenes collectively and make sure every detail is matched up accurately. My best guess is that the average long-form video requires 3 to 4 hours of editing time, but for a shorter video, you're looking at around an hour. And the reason I feel it's important to bring this up is that the business owner who is paying you for any of these work-from-home jobs knows that their time is extremely valuable in terms of expanding their business, and thus will always be willing to pay you a bit more. Moreover, they can hire someone else to do the work who will, in all likelihood, do a better job. If that's the case, they should fork over the required fee. Finally, if you're considering becoming an editor and are debating between long and short form videos, keep in mind that the former will allow you to earn significantly more per video. Becoming a blog writer and researcher is the second remote work option I'll be discussing. Now, for this one, I'm going to put it in the high section because I've noticed that when it comes to paying all of the freelancers who help clients write all of the articles for all of their affiliate marketing websites, they pay them a lot more compared to a lot of these other work-from-home jobs. This is because getting your content to the top of Google's search results takes a certain level of expertise in order to ensure that you've written the very finest version of it. Now, let's talk about another type of work-from-home job, making thumbnails, which is kind of the polar opposite of what I was just talking about. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the term thumbnail maker, I'll explain that all of the images you see before clicking on a video on YouTube are thumbnails, and that many thumbnail makers in the world earn 6 figures or more doing what they do. It's estimated that Mr. Beast from No Maker earns $6,000 to $10,000 for each of his masterpieces. But I have seldom ever offered a thumbnail maker a reasonable amount of money for even a single thumbnail across all of the channels I've been involved in, including this one that you're currently watching. When compared to the other available positions, I would rate this one as one of the lowest. But I feel it's important to let you know that while you may not make a lot of money per every single thumbnail that you create, and while you may make a lot of more money per every single long-form video that you might create, it's a lot easier for you to make, say, 10, 20, 30 different thumbnails in a day. which means that you're ultimately going to make a lot more money per every video. The amount of effort you put in is the determining factor. The next work from home option, and this one has to be near the top: becoming a bookkeeper. To rapidly define a bookkeeper for the uninitiated, that person is someone who helps keep track of the money that flows into and out of a firm. Without proper bookkeeping, a business owner cannot properly file their taxes. Now, many business owners out there tend to do their own bookkeeping. But there are so many different people who are wonderful in Japan in that they are making millions of dollars, but are bad when it comes to statistics, terrible when it comes to mathematics, and terrible at all of that. That's why it's crucial that they hire a bookkeeper to help them out. You can make a lot of money if you have the ability to prepare tax returns, which is in high demand because it is one of the most crucial tasks that a business owner must complete annually. Next, I'll talk about being a customer service agent, another option for working from home. Because there is no genuine expertise required when it comes to responding to emails and answering the phone, I wouldn't put it in the top section. However, there is still a substantial amount of effort required, which is why I wouldn't place it in the low area. As we've shown in this video, it's up to the employer to determine whether or not you'll be able to work from home. Both the client's perceived value and the urgency with which they require your service will determine your fee. Naturally, you may be able to ask for a raise if you're going to work for a company that relies greatly on having a wide variety of customer service agents. It goes without saying that your salary will be significantly lower if you work for someone who just sometimes sends or receives emails and needs someone to keep an eye on their inbox. We hope you enjoyed the video. But now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below. And don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video about 3 side hustles you probably don't know about. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.